Good morning guys, this is Maza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musafir, and time is 5:59 am. It's not even 6 and I wake up so early just because you all of know that Infinity War is releasing today. I'm super duper excited for it, and see, it's not even sunrise, see, and my movie is around 9:15 am. I'm really very excited to head toward the cinema hall. Last night it was very hard to sleep because I'm really very excited for the movie. In Mumbai, all of theater is house full. I somehow managed to book a ticket for myself, and let's see how does it goes like. So let's see you few moments after. Salam, Namaste, Rahmatullah, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musafir. And currently I'm inside ATM and trying to withdraw some cash. As you already know that I'm going to watch movie Infinity War. Cash is dispensed. Let's go. So I'm currently passing through fish market, and here is the fish market. In case you want to buy any fish, you come here and buy fish. And this is the place where Nawazuddin Siddiqui had a photo shoot. You can figure out three tank, water tank from that side. This is the tank. On the screen you have the photo. Time is 8:15 and my movie is starting after 1 hour, exactly after 1 hour. 9:15 and bus is whole empty. So see you at the cinema hall. I'm really very scared of booking anything in advance, just because I'm not that much confident that I can reach that place on time or not. वही अभी हुआ, बस ने ड्रॉप किया 1 किलोमीटर आगे सिनेमा हॉल के, and time is 8:58 am. Only 17 minutes left, and let's see how should I manage. So finally I reached Infinity Mall. This is Infinity Mall, and now I'm going to the theater.
माइक्रोबसाइल गुणों के साथ मिटाए ऑयली स्किन, पिंपल्स और ब्लैक हेड्स। www.jff.co।
कमाल की जगह है। ओके, कप्तान बनने का टाइम आ गया।
3 hours later.
So guys, done with the movie. मूवी अब ख़त्म हो चुकी है। बेहतरीन मूवी है। क्या रिव्यू दें? A good movie with a sad ending. Oh my god, what a movie! Mind blowing movie यार। Fantastic, must watch it. बोलने से अच्छा है आप लोग खुद ही जाइए और देख कर आइए। I'm speechless. Good movie. So done with the movie, and movie is good. I'm sure you all stunned after watching this movie. This theater is also good, PVR icon. So this is good ना, Infinity War watching in Infinity Mall. बस इतनी सी वीडियो थी और अभी मूवी देख लिया है. अब जाएंगे नमाज़ पढ़ने, उसके बाद वापस घर जाना है. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो एक लाइक कर देना. और ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं इस वीडियो में. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, कमेंट कर सकते हो, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. और हाँ, पानी पीते रहना क्योंकि जल ही जीवन है. बाय बाय.